50 easy habits that will change your life forever. Certainly, adopting small habits can indeed lead to significant changes in your life over time. Here's a list of 50 easy habits that can have a positive impact. Drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. Make your bed every morning. Take a 10-minute walk after each meal. Practice deep breathing or meditation for 5 minutes daily. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Stretch for a few minutes when you wake up. Eat a piece of fruit with breakfast. Set specific goals for the day. Spend 10 minutes decluttering a small area of your home each day. Read for at least 15 minutes before bed. Practice active listening in conversations. Take breaks to stand up and stretch if you work at a desk. Keep a journal to track your thoughts and feelings. Spend time outdoors each day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Practice a hobby or learn something new for 30 minutes daily. Smile at yourself in the mirror every morning. Practice saying no to things that don't align with your priorities. Eat a serving of vegetables with lunch and dinner. Limit screen time before bed to improve sleep quality. Practice good posture throughout the day. Reach out to a friend or family member you haven't spoken to in a while. Take the stairs instead of the elevator when possible. Set aside time for self-reflection and introspection each week. Listen to uplifting or motivational podcasts. Compliment someone each day. Keep a to-do list and prioritize tasks. Practice gratitude by thanking someone each day. Limit caffeine intake in the afternoon to improve sleep. Keep healthy snacks on hand to avoid unhealthy choices. Practice forgiveness, both for yourself and others. Set aside time for relaxation and self-care activities. Keep a plant or flowers in your living space. Practice mindfulness while eating, savoring each bite. Set boundaries with work to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Engage in random acts of kindness. Practice empathy and try to see things from others' perspectives. Start with 1 or 2 habits from this list and gradually incorporate more over time. Consistency is key to seeing lasting changes in your life. Thank you for watching.